Okay, you need to have a Facebook page. That's just something that is necessary right now. You may not use Facebook, but over close to 2 billion, maybe 3 billion by now, people do. That's like 1 in 6 or 7 people on the planet. So your customers are out there, your readers are out there, you need a Facebook page. Now, if you have not made one yet, we're going to show you really quickly how to make a Facebook page. So, first thing you do is you go to your main, first if you haven't signed up for Facebook, do so. Very simple to do. I'm not going to go into that, but go to your main Facebook page here and then go over and click on Pages. Now, the distinction is a Facebook profile is where you have all your news feed and you post pictures of your cat and all of that sort of thing. Hey, I post pictures of my cat. They're beautiful cats. I don't care. I post my pictures. That's what Facebook is mainly about. The other thing is pages. Pages are where the business is at. So you go and you click on the pages link and then come down here and click on Create New Page. Right here you have your layout. Now I'm going to be having a master class, so I think I'll have a Facebook page about that. So I'm just going to call it let's just going to call it Word Master Class. Isn't that clever? Word Master is my company name. Class is what I'm going to have, so it's going to be a Word Master Class. Ha ha ha. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the type of business this is. So this will be, so I'll just put education, and when I get to education, it has several things: school, research. I'm just going to put education website, and then I'm going to click Create Page. It takes a few seconds for it to do its thing. Once it does, and it says, okay, masterclass has been created. So we'll click that. And I'm going to scroll down a bit, and it now says give a description. So I'm going to set here in-depth instruction. Let's see, in-depth instruction for beginning and advanced writers. That's enough for this. And now it's images. Now I'm going to put up a profile image. So I'm going to click here, add profile picture. And I've got one right here. See which one of these is the right one. I think that's the one. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one. And you see there the image shows up right in the little profile spot. And then we can add a cover photo, and I have one of those too. There it is. Now, your logo should be, this one here should be about 180 by 180. A square. It works. Something that'll fit nicely inside of the circle. Now, the cover photo is 851 by 315. That's 851 by 315. And good. And I can move this around a little bit, to see where I want it to fit, but I want it to fit right between those two lines. That's where it's setting right now, and I've got that picture there. So now I click Save, and again it takes a few seconds to do this. Okay, you are now interacting as Word Master Class. That means that that when anything you post here is going to is going to show this logo. Now, if I ever want to interact with my own, I just click the down button, and there's my own Facebook profile. But we want to do this. Now, first thing you want to do is see this where it says create username. That's going to be able to give you a URL that you can see up here that has a unique name. So let me see if I can just, you have to type these in. So let's see, Word Master Class, CLASS, not Z. And let's see, oops, I guess. So let's see, let's just do, that one was already taken. I don't know why, but maybe Wordmaster Classes. Wordmaster Classes. That'll work. Okay, and it's okay. We click down here, create username. Okay, not eligible for a username yet. Okay. So we'll just go with what we have here. Apparently not eligible for a username as yet. We can add a button over here. And now a button will take us to, you could get all sorts of things. Like you could set up for them to send you an email where people can contact you. Why don't I go with that? And I'll put in .com, and we'll click to save that. And then we click, we're actually pretty well set up at this point. Now you can just post. Now you have options here, a lot of different options. You can set up a store right here on the page. This section here is Business Suite. It's where you can set up business tools. You'll have publishing tools. Now, this could make it easier for you because you can actually schedule posts. Let me click on that. And that actually takes you over to your Business Suite here. And right up here, you could say Create Post. Click on that. And you could choose to have it sent also to your Instagram feed. Now, I haven't connected my Instagram feed to this one because I haven't connected to another one. This is just a kind of fake testing type of place here. But we could set up the Instagram feed. If you connect it to your account, you can do that. I can type in the text. This is a test. We put that. You could add a photo, you could add video, you could create a video. So I'll just add a photo. I'll just grab one of these here that I've already used those. So we go down here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I'll just put in one of my covers. There we go. And there comes the and here's it showing us what it will look like in the desktop, and then you can see what it looks like in the mobile. So that's working pretty good. Now, let's say that I don't really want to publish this right now. I'd like to publish it later. So I click in here, I say Schedule Post. And then I've got an option to set it. I want this to appear, say, on the 13th at 12:30 a.m. maybe not 12:30 a.m. I can click over here and say p.m. Okay, click save. Now I'm all scheduled with the post to go out at that time. Now I am just going to, I will just, let's see, I'll just cancel this post here, cancel, and therefore I don't have to worry about it showing up. Your change will be lost if you exit now, discard changes, so on and so forth. Okay, that is how you set up a Facebook page. There's a lot of other stuff you can do with it. You can play around with it, with some of the other aspects of it, but this is the way you set up a Facebook page. Not difficult at all, very simple to do.